Hello, and welcome to The Mother Load, our series on this YouTube channel where we talk about all things related to motherhood, from the moment you become pregnant to the moment you start to feel any of your symptoms during pregnancy, all the way through labor prep and delivery, as well as postpartum recovery. So my name is Cora. I am the clinic owner and physiotherapist here at Lumira Pelvic Health and Wellness.
And my name is Leanna, and I'm the holistic practitioner here.
And today we're going to talk a little bit about what our roles are in pregnancy care, labor preparation, and delivery. So I'll start. As a pelvic floor physiotherapist, I often like to work with moms throughout their pregnancy, prenatally. All too often, moms wait a little too long before coming to see me, and then they need all this information right at the end, and it's a little tough to fit in. So what I always recommend is as soon as you find out you're pregnant, call me. Call me and book in for an appointment. Some moms like to wait the first 12 weeks of their first trimester to make sure that pregnancy is going well, that miscarriage risk has reduced before coming to see me, but you are allowed to come see me right away. And what we'll do is we'll just kind of get a general sense of your pelvic health history, what pelvic symptoms you may have had throughout your life so far. If you've had painful periods, if you've had trouble getting pregnant, we'll talk about all that in our first visit. Then I'll assess the pelvic floor, either with vaginal and or rectal palpation. I'll talk about any concerns you have in that moment. If you're experiencing symptoms, if you have pain or any kind of muscle spasms going on, we'll address that in our first session. We'll come up with a game plan. Typically, what I do is if there are no symptoms of pain or any discomfort, I'll see moms every 4 weeks or so, just to make sure that pregnancy is going along well, the pelvic floor is working well to adapt to the changing body. And we'll learn exercises. We'll talk about breathing techniques that you can use either in labor, before labor, immediately postpartum, and we'll practice those. Because once they're learned and they're easy to do, they become like second nature. So then when you're in the throes of labor, it's the first thing you go to. I also offer around 36 weeks an opportunity for mom and her birth partner, either husband or whoever she plans on having with her at the birth. We do what I call mock labor day. So it's literally a 1-hour education session where we practice all of your labor techniques, all of your push strategies, hands-on techniques that your partner can use to help you in labor, what to do if things aren't going properly. We learn labor troubleshooting, and we'll learn about the first few weeks postpartum, just to make sure that everything is, healing well, what to look for, how to start some of your exercises again. And the feedback that I've gotten from my clients is very positive, especially on the mock labor day, especially for first-time parents. All too often, we focus so much on baby and making sure baby's okay, we forget to take care of mom. And my job is to take care of mom. And what do you do in pregnancy?
Well, all kinds of things. Now, I said I was a holistic practitioner. What that includes is a few treatments that I offer. Reflexology, I'm a registered reflexology practitioner, certified aromatherapist. I do also Indian head massage, some facial reflexology, all great treatments that can be so helpful to a new mom in so many ways, without any injection or having to take anything internally. Really, these treatments can be so successful in helping to relax mom right from the get-go. All the different feelings, just the emotions she's going through, up and down, good emotions, not so good emotions, all of that. But the main thing I'm going to say is how these treatments can keep the body balanced. Helps right from the get-go to keep the body balanced while it's going through the changes that it's going through, in making room for the child. And there's many ways we can do that. With reflexology, by way of the head, feet, or hands, or all three. With aromatherapy, we could do AromaFlex, a combination of reflexology and aromatherapy using particular essential oils, some of my favorite that I've used with my own children. Or full body aromatherapy massage using the particular oils that are especially excellent for mom and for baby. And that can be done throughout the entire pregnancy. Not to mention what I get from all of my clients, the comment of how relaxed they are, how much more grounded they feel when they have these treatments on a regular basis. At least every month, because so many changes happen on a daily basis, at least once a month, just to keep yourself, for mom, to keep herself more steady, more grounded, more secure in what's happening, and reassured on a physical, mental, emotional level, reassured that this is all going to go really well.
Mm-hmm. And if I may add to that,
Mm-hmm.
I often suggest to my new mums that we co-treat. So I will send a lot of my mums to you
Mm-hmm.
and for the reflexology throughout pregnancy to help make sure that there's enough room for baby, as you were saying, and to help them because there are emotions, there are traumas that happen, stress, to help make sure that the baby is supported even through that and mom is supported through that. I
Exactly.
often send mums to you, especially if baby's a little overdue and
Mm-hmm.
we just want to get baby out. I think your
Yeah.
record is labor started in the middle of a treatment, right?
Yes,
Yes, and it was
that's right.
remarkable, a very
That's
smooth
right.
treatment for that client, and it was
Yeah.
just lovely. So
Yeah.
I really, really value the support reflexology has,
Mm-hmm.
aromatherapy has, and
Mm-hmm.
holistic health can have. So that's just a little bit about us. And the way this channel is going to work is we're going to send or post videos from time to time, just kind of giving you little ideas, especially if you're going through this, just to kind of help you along the journey. And of course, if there's any questions or anything you specifically want to learn about, just leave us a comment and we'll do a video on it. But
Absolutely.
for now, thank you so much, and we'll see you next time.
Thank you.